Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. 𝐖𝐡𝐚𝐭𝐬𝐀𝐩𝐩 𝐒𝐮𝐻. I'm a savvy registered research analyst, and I do invite you for my live trading sessions which I conduct every day from 10 to 11. You can join me through my Telegram link, or where you can find the link of GoToWebinar, or you can join me through the link that is provided on the YouTube. And you can go and watch this video which we have conducted today, live trading 20th July. Have a look at it, how much money people have made. How somebody made 8,841, somebody made 1,000 rupees, somebody made 2,200. Then we gave the second stock, which was Godrej Properties. If you go ahead, you will see people have made huge amount of money. 2,200 booked in Maruti, and a lot of people have made good money. Somebody has made 12, 25, 40, 225, 1,200. A lot of people made good money. So do join me for the live trading, and there is no strings attached. Like, there's no payment to be done. There is no obligation. Join me and make money. So this is our way of really giving back to society from where we have got almost everything. Let me start today with Bank Nifty and its options, and then we'll talk about what lies ahead. So look at Bank Nifty's broader picture. Have a look at the Bank Nifty's broader picture. Bank Nifty had made a solid support at 32,350, and after that Bank Nifty had bounced. What I can see today was a gap up opening, and after that gap up opening was not sustained. Let's look into the shorter time frame, what exactly happened. So Bank Nifty has given a morning range breakout for sure, but after that it became range bound for almost like starting from 11:45 till about 12:45, almost like 2 hours it was horizontal, and then after that a selling pressure came into the Bank Nifty. Now how do I feel what lies ahead? So what I feel, Bank Nifty may come to touch this level, which is, I'm talking about the cash levels, 35,741. And then there may be a slight bounce, but the closing looks to me around the same level, but we'll have a more clear idea about closing by looking at the option chain. So here we are on the option chain, and let me show you the Bank Nifty's option chain. Have a look at the Bank Nifty option chain, and let me pick up my pen from here. So if you notice here, today huge put writing has been done at the level of 36,000. So 36,000 is a very strong support zone, and some amount of put writing in the money put writing has also happened. But what is really important to also notice that there is a huge amount of call writing that has taken place at 36,000. Although they're at the lower level, there have been unwinding. That means people have exited these positions, but the strong support and strong resistance remains at 36,000. So to me, to what I can understand by looking at the whole thing, that 36,000 is where, close to 36,000, expiry may happen tomorrow. So let's have a look at the chart and decide what could be our way of trading in Bank Nifty. So 36,000 is somewhere here. This is where 36,000 is. So there is a possibility, as I told you, that it may come down to 35,780, and from there it may take a bounce. So what can be expected? Let me mark it for you. Bank Nifty may give a gap down opening, and somewhere here 35,780, it may take a support and give a bounce. And if it gives a bounce, its closing can be expected about 36,000. So that is what I'm believing. I may be wrong, because you need to check the option chain in the when the market is on, when the market is going on, right? That's when you need to see how the option chains are unwinding. But have a look at it. Bank Nifty has made a double bottom. Price is shifting in the upward direction and today was a gap up opening. So whenever there's a gap up opening, you can get confirmation next day. If there is a gap down opening, there could be a possibility that market may come down. If slight gap up opening, market may further continue moving in the upward direction. So now let's look into Nifty. What is happening in Nifty? And Nifty is also having exactly similar structure. Rather, if you have a look at it, Nifty took a resistance at 15,573 and made a low of 14 16,488. Let's have a look at 15 minutes, what really happened in the lower time frame. So if you notice, today is that one day when I've told you how do you figure out whether market is going to be trending or not. Market has gone up. Okay, so it's not within the first 30 minutes, but Nifty closed below its today's low. So that's, although it opened gap up, but it could not maintain this upward movement, and it closed below today's low. So the closing has not been good. So there is a possibility again that Nifty may come down almost like 130 points, and from there it may experience a bounce. We'll look at the option chain. Option chain has a different story. What option chain is telling me, there has been continuous unwinding that has happened in Nifty options, continuous unwinding. And next resistance that Nifty faces is at only 16,700 or 16,650. Even at the level of 16,600, not much call writing happened today. Not 600, neither 650. In fact, 16,500, there has been a huge call unwinding. But at the same time, huge put writing happened at 16,500. A very, very important support has been made, has been created at 16,500. And not only that, there has been call writing, put writing at 16,550 and 16,600. So this is a pretty much indication that Nifty looks still stronger. Nifty is, according to me, the range of Nifty is about 16,500 to 16,550 or 16,600. So 16,500 to 16,600, that's the range I'm expecting Nifty to expire. And a safe range, in case you want to really play safe, then you can go with 16,600 for the call selling, and for the put selling you can go to 16,500. 100 points tight range. So I'm expecting Nifty to remain range bound, whereas Bank Nifty may go down till about 35,780 and then take a bounce from there. So this is how I believe. Let's see how it goes tomorrow. I have not selected the stocks. I'll be selecting them in the live market. And one stock that I can talk about is AU Bank. AU Bank looks good, but let's see how Bank Nifty behaves tomorrow. AU Bank has been almost range bound. In case it goes above 7,582, it may look like it may be a good bounce from the lower levels. So look at the candle that has formed, price rejection, gap up opening. Going above 582 is going to be very important level for AU Bank. So of course, it will also depend upon how Bank Nifty behaves tomorrow. So this is one stock that I have on my radar, but I haven't done more analysis. Tomorrow's concentration is going to be on Nifty, Bank Nifty, and also, again, do join me for the live trading from 10 to 11 through the GoToWebinar link or through the YouTube link, wherever you want. And see you there in tomorrow's live trading. All the best. Take care. Keep learning, keep earning, and go through the live video and go through the chat. Go through the chat and you will see how much money. This is the chat that's there. You can see how much money people have made. People have made huge, huge, huge money. So you will be able to see and make your own judgment. All the best. Take care. See you in the next video.